The Skin Games 2019, sponsored by Glymed Plus. Pigmentation category. After interviewing, analyzing, and consulting with my model, we have come to the conclusion that our main focus will be pigmentation. This pigmentation seems to have caused deep laugh lines and fine lines on the forehead. In addition, she also suffers from a skin condition called psoriasis. Further investigating into her history, she believes the root cause and start of her pigmentation was by using an at-home laser hair removal device in her early 20s. She realized this darkened the skin around the mouth and caused her skin to be excessively rough and dry. For week 1, we will be doing a facial that actively targets discoloration, dark spots, and photo damage with the innovative technology of powerful peptides, vitamin C, TCA, and an antioxidant-packed nutrients. These ingredients will aid in leaving the skin brightened, refreshed, and glowing. At home, we have completely transformed her home care regimen and self-care mindset. Please like, comment, and share, but don't forget to subscribe and follow me at Fresh Skin CVG.